Howdy, Cowboy Bob here. Now, if I'm not mistaken, it was Socrates who said, there ain't no definitive rankings of beefsteaks. Pfft, what an idiot, right? So here it is, the definitive rankings of beefsteaks. Alright, let's cut to the chase, right from the get-go. Your very best tasting steak in the whole deal is right here, the ribeye. Now, don't argue with me about this. I'm on a horse all day. You're on what, the internet? Your biggest steak, if that's what you're hankering for, is the porterhouse. Big enough to share, but why would you? And right up the road from there, you got what I like to call your best all-around cowboy, the T-bone. T for Texas, T for Tennessee, and T for take your steak sauce and shove it somewhere shady. Now, my personal favorite and the mass macho steak of all is your tomahawk ribeye. Just look at that beauty. Prettier than a whiskey bottle full of blue bonnets. Now, you want to know the most overrated steak? That's right here. The filet mignon. And yeah, I know I'm mispronouncing it, but I'm from Texas. Mispronouncing French is pretty much my raison d'etre.